Hey everyone, in this video we will review Inboxdollars. Inboxdollars is a legitimate app that pays users for completing simple online tasks like surveys, watching videos, and playing games. It's been around since 2000 and has paid out over 80 million to its users. However, it's important to note that while the app is not a scam, the earnings are relatively low. Most tasks pay between 1 cent to $1.25, and the minimum payout threshold is $30, which can take time to reach. Some users have reported issues such as being disqualified from surveys after spending time on them or experiencing delays in receiving payments. On the positive side, the app offers a $5 sign-up bonus and provides various ways to earn, including reading emails and shopping online. In summary, Inboxdollars is a real and legitimate app. Earnings are modest and may require time to accumulate. Some users have faced issues with survey disqualifications and payment delays. The app offers multiple earnings avenues and a sign-up bonus. If you're looking for a way to earn a bit of extra cash in your spare time, Inboxdollars can be a viable option, but it's not a substitute for a full-time income. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.